Rib preparation, we like to keep it really easy. You've heard of 3-2-1 ribs? These are 1-in-1 ribs, 2 hours in the Gateway drum smoker. All we do is we pull that silver skin off the back, apply some rub to the top, and we hang them. Using our rib kit, we actually hang our ribs above the fire for 1 hour. During that 1 hour, your ribs are going to take in all kinds of smoke and they're going to pull back a little bit and start to cook. After that 1 hour, wrap them in foil. I used really simple stuff in that foil. Today I used butter, sugar, honey. That's it. And when it's done, we're going to pull them out of that foil after 1 hour. We're going to set them out on the cutting board, apply some sauce, let them rest for 20 minutes, then we're going to slice, we're going to heat them up, and they're going to be awesome.
For more information, go to our website or give us a call. Check us out on Facebook and join our Facebook barbecue group.